The final deliverable of the capstone project is a written report. The total length of the report should not exceed 3,000 words, excluding figures and tables. The report should contain a typical structure: title, abstract, introduction, methods, results, the discussion, the conclusions, and the references. In this video, for your convenience, we provide you some guidelines on the substantive structure of the manuscript. In addition, on the platform, we provide you with manuscript format preparation guidelines, which have been adopted from the guidelines of the typical IEEE papers. Before submitting the final report, you should submit a preliminary version of the manuscript. After submission, the lecturers will give you feedback on that preliminary report. On the internet, you can find many sites providing guidelines of a scientific report. Here, I quickly summarize what we expect of the report structure. First, the title. The title should describe contents clearly and precisely so that readers can decide whether to read the report. Secondly, the abstract. For a report, maximal 150 words. State the main objectives. What did you investigate? Why describe the methods? What did you do? Summarize most important results. What did you find out? State the major conclusions and significance. What do your results mean? So what? Thirdly, the introduction. Describe the problem investigated. Summarize relevant research to provide context, key terms, and concepts so your reader can understand the experiment or study. Why is it important? Review relevant research to provide the rationale. This usually reflects the literature study. What conflict or unanswered question, untested proposition, untried method in existing research does your experiment address? What findings of others are you challenging or extending? What solution do you propose? Briefly describe your experiment, the hypothesis, research question, general experimental design or method, justification of the methods if alternatives exist. 4. The methods. How did you study the problem? What did you use? How did you proceed? Clarify why you performed your study in that particular way. Number 5, the results. Provide the results as data. Express the data in table form, as an easy-to-read figure or illustration, etc. What did you observe, find, or design? For each experiment, procedural step in the study or design, describe briefly the experiment without the details of methods of the previous section. Report the main results supported by the selected data. Number 6, the discussion and the conclusion of the report. What do your observation, study, design mean? What conclusions can you draw? How do your results fit into a broader context? Finally, give the reference of the literature sources you used in your study and manuscript. Note that the objective of the capstone project is that you can demonstrate that you are capable of applying the knowledge you have mastered in the last 4 courses on a small project. In the next video, we will introduce the currently available capstone projects. I'm looking forward to your design manuscripts and to give feedback on your work. I wish you a lot of success.